This video is about what to plant in July. We're covering 15 vegetables, herbs, and flowers you can still plant this month to keep your garden thriving, even under the summer sun. So grab your gloves, get your seeds ready, and let's get planting. To begin, bush beans are a top choice for July planting. They grow fast, usually within 45 to 60 days, and absolutely love the heat. Unlike pole beans, they don't need support, which makes them easy to squeeze into tight spaces. So if you're short on time or space, bush beans are a smart pick. Next, let's talk about Swiss chard. It thrives in warm weather and doesn't bolt as quickly as spinach. Direct sow it now and keep the soil evenly moist for steady growth. You'll enjoy colorful, nutrient-packed leaves well into fall. Although summer's heating up, carrots are still a great crop to plant now. They actually develop sweeter flavor when harvested in cooler fall weather. Just choose a short-season variety and sow them directly in deep, loose soil. Keep the bed well watered, especially during germination. Green onions are perfect for July, planting because they grow quickly and take up little space. You can start them from seed or even kitchen scraps. They're excellent fillers between larger crops like tomatoes or peppers. And in just a few weeks, you'll be harvesting fresh greens. Cucumbers love the summer heat and thrive when planted in July. Pick fast-growing or pickling types for best results. Use a trellis to save space and improve airflow around the plants. Just water consistently to prevent bitter fruit. Basil is a heat-loving herb that grows fast and smells incredible. Plant it in full sun and keep pinching the tips to encourage bushier growth. It pairs well with tomatoes, both in the garden and on your plate. Harvest regularly to keep it producing all summer long. In warmer zones, July is still a great time to plant sweet potatoes. They thrive in high heat and produce lush vines as they grow. Look for slips at your local nursery and get them into loose, fertile soil. With enough sunshine, you'll get both greens and tubers. If you act quickly, you can still plant corn in July. Opt for a quick-maturing variety that fits within your growing season. Corn loves full sun and needs regular watering, especially during tasseling. Plant in blocks, not rows, for better pollination. Peppers can be planted in July in many southern climates. They thrive in heat but appreciate a bit of afternoon shade. Use mulch to keep the roots cool and conserve moisture. With care, you'll still get a healthy harvest before fall. Garlic chives are perennial in many zones and grow well in midsummer. They have a mild garlic flavor and make a great addition to stir-fries and salads. Sow them in a sunny spot and be patient. They start slow but establish well. Plus, their blooms attract pollinators later in the season. Zinnias are heat-tolerant flowers that bloom quickly and love the sun. Sow them directly for fast, vibrant color in your garden beds. They attract pollinators like butterflies and bees. And unlike many flowers, they thrive in midsummer heat. You can still plant sunflowers in July, especially smaller or dwarf varieties. They grow quickly, add height and cheer, and make great companion plants. Plant them in full sun and water regularly to support rapid growth. Children love them, and so do pollinators. Yes, you can grow lettuce in July, but choose heat-tolerant varieties. Options like Jericho or Buttercrunch resist bolting better than others. Plant in partial shade and water often to keep them crisp. Harvest outer leaves regularly for continuous yield. Dill grows quickly in warm weather and is perfect if you're planning to pickle. It adds flavor to dishes and supports garden biodiversity. Sow it in full sun and thin out seedlings to prevent overcrowding. Let some flower to attract beneficial insects. In many areas, July is ideal for a second crop of potatoes. Choose certified seed potatoes and plant them in deep, well-drained soil. Mulch heavily to protect from heat and encourage tuber development. Harvest just before your region's first expected frost. So there you have it. 15 crops you can plant right now, even in the heart of summer. July might seem late, but with the right plants, it's actually a perfect time to refresh your garden. Keep watering, keep mulching, and keep planting smart. And don't forget to like, subscribe, And share this video to help more gardeners grow with confidence.